friends, it's Nancy. Just a quick Etsy update. I've got some vintage, well actually antique Easter cards that I want to share with you. These are all postcards. This is a little card, and it says from Brother Frank and Sister Libby Bella. There's no date on it, but looking at this font, that looks very 1910 era to me, and has these beautiful irises on it. A little bit of a bow. This one is embossed, and it's quite heavy actually, and then this rose is fabric that's been glued on there. And the date here is 1912. This one, it says to Daisy from George in this turquoise glitter, and there's no date on it. But these came from a collection that were all between 1906 and 1912. This one has little snowdrops and pussy willows, and this is 1909. This one just has a beautiful red rose on top of a silver cross. It says Easter greetings, and it's silver arches. It's to Daisy, but there's no stamp. This one is a little basket of lilies, lily of the valley. I don't know what those little white flowers are. Anyway, it's got Easter eggs in it. And it's blank on the back. This one, what do you call those? Hyacinths? And then up here there's daffodils. And this one's 1930. So a little later. Again, we've got some snowdrops and pussy willows, and this one's 1930. So these are to Mrs. Clark on Wellington Street in Galt. Pussy willows. 1916. Tulips. 1915. This one has little violets. Are they violets or forget-me-nots? Could be forget-me-nots. And lily of the valley in the form of a cross. This one is 1909. This one's gilded gold. Again, pussy willows. 1913. Those are forget-me-nots. A bell. Last one's 1917. Here we have a cross with some lily of the valley and a pink tulip. And it looks like this boy is untying his boat. He's going to go for a little trip. There's a stamp on it, but it's not canceled. That's pretty. 1914. This one has some gold detail on it as well. This elegant scroll work. And it's a beautiful blue color. I'm not sure if that's coming through on this video or not. 1912. The winter is past, the flowers appear on the earth. So there's some Easter lilies and a cross. No date, however, but this is embossed. Now this one doesn't say Easter on it anywhere, but the pussy willows, and there's a young lady crossing a little footbridge there, and that's 1912. Look at this stamp. Muskoka Free Hospital for Consumptives. That's the Christmas Christmas seal, I guess, for 1911. Isn't that interesting? Muskoka Free Hospital for Consumptives. This one has little Easter lilies and little chicks. Oh, April. Might be 1922. This one has a little chick, some roses and a cross. The edge has been like decal cut, so it's sort of got an embossed, torn look to it. 1913. This one has a little Easter bonnet on it, a bonnet on it. There's a stamp, but it's not canceled and it's not addressed. This one has a little Cupid with the bunny pulling his little cart there. And 1913. A little chick hiding in the... They're not a daffodil, but they're related to a daffodil. Narcissus? Could it be a narcissus? Could be. 1917. This one's beautiful. I love this. It's got embossing on it as well as this is silver. And I think that's 1915. This one has morning glories, beautiful. And this has got some gold, 1912. And this got a lady under a parasol on a bridge. 1927. And this is metallic gold, yellow roses, and 1915. So if you're seeing this video, these have been listed on my Etsy, and I think you'll find that they're very reasonably priced. A couple other things that I'm adding to my Etsy. I have packages of cider labels. These I got in Pennsylvania, in not like Lancaster, Amish, Pennsylvania, but another Mennonite community sort of in western Pennsylvania, closer to Ohio. And there's 10 in each package. I want to say they're about, they're 4 inches square. These are bridge score sheets. There's 20 in each package, and they are tea dyed. And I dried them outside with lace, not lace, but plastic lace. So you can see there's a little flower there, another flower there. Here's some detail here. Some are darker, some are lighter, but there's 20 in each package. And they are 4 by 6 1/4. 4 by 6 1/4. There is a perforation there, so you can tear that off and it'll be shorter. And last but not least, I have these vintage can labels. And this image of the fruit, the plums and peaches and pears and cherries, just gorgeous. I got these at an antique store in Rochester, I think, and there's 3 in a package. So take a look at what I've got going on over on Etsy, and we will talk to you again soon.